gonna be too big.
Yeah. Yep.
Whoa.
Here we are with Erica fighting a big redfish. Whoa!
Whoa. Look at that boil.
Manatee River braiding tank. Let's see it. Holy jumping. Does it feel like a good one?
Yeah. I already saw it. It's like a good one.
Wow.
I don't want to give up, does it?
There he is.
Oh, wow.
Erica, I think you can kind of start bringing him right down to the back. Try to keep him away from that anchor rope. I mean, I'm not sure if you want to go right yet. At some point, he's kind of heading towards the anchor. You might have to go all the way across. Yeah, I'd say start pulling him right again. Walk on down. I think you got him going right. If he comes this way though, he's actually over the rope. Erica, walk up here and reel. And go all the way around. Kind of try to pull him this way. Yeah, he's going back. Okay. Good job. He's over the rope. She's got that fish whooped.
Like a pro.
She's got that fish whooped.
There it is.
Nice fish. We're gonna need a net on this one. You got it up here. Riding.
Yep.
Doesn't want to give up.
Look at that fish. Yeah, walk back to your right a little bit. Oh yeah.
Big honk right in there.
Oh my God. Hey, shut that live well, would you? One of you guys, you gotta just hit that spring. Holy cats.
Wow.
Just lay him down. Oh my gosh.
That is a hunker.
That's big. Just let him lay down like this. Wow. Look here. Hey, E5. Nice fish, girl.
Big is huge.
Holy cow, sign off and get a pic of this.
I got broken off.
I don't know what to say. Big fish, Erica. Wow. Woo-hoo-hoo. You gotta say something.
I don't know what to say.
Okay.
34.
It's 34 inches.
All the boys are jealous of my fish.
Wow. All right, time to let him go. Kind of try to put your hand down in the water a little bit.
Wow.
Wow, nice fish, Erica. Holy cow.
Look at the head on him.
He almost wants to go.
When he wants to kind of go, just let him go. And kind of push him off. Give him a couple shakes back and forth. Yeah, he's ready.
There he goes. Straight down to the bottom.
There he goes.
Holy
Nice fish. You gave me a high five. All right.